Good evening, Namaskara. Let's start with hands in Namaskara Mudra, eyes gently closed. Take a deep inhale, straighten the back, slowly exhale. Two more times. Breathe in, deep, long inhale, slow exhale. One more time. Inhale, lengthen the spine. Exhale, release all the tensions. Patanjali Namana. योगेन चित्तस्य पदेन वाचां मलं शरीरस्य च वैद्यकेन योपाकरोत्तं प्रवरं मुनीनां पतञ्जलिं प्राञ्जलिरानतोऽस्मि. Chin Mudra. Deep inhale, and as you exhale, slowly open your eyes. Now we'll stretch the legs out in front of you. Inhale, hands straight up. Exhale, right hand outside the left foot. Again, inhale, exhale, left hand outside the right foot. Inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale. Breathe in, breathe out, breathe in, breathe out. Last round. Breathe in, breathe out, breathe in, breathe out. Inhale, both hands up. Now bend forward in the center, hands on the fingertips on the floor. Push your head forward, hold it there. Keep breathing, keep walking the fingers forward. Pull your head forward, straighten the legs, toes up. Inhale up, exhale down. Again, inhale up, exhale down. Inhale up, exhale down. Inhale up, exhale down. Now from there, inhale, both hands up. Exhale, turn to your right side, hands behind your back, touch your forehead to the ground. Inhale, both hands up. Exhale, turn to the left side, touch your forehead to the ground. Once more, inhale, exhale. Again, inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale. Last round. Inhale, exhale. Now sit in Shashankasana. Stretch your hands out, forehead down. Inhale, Urdhva Mukha. Tuck your toes in, lift your knees up. Exhale, Adho Mukha. Again, knees down, Shashankasana. Inhale, Urdhva Mukha. Knees off the mat, tuck your toes in, exhale, Adho Mukha. Knees down, Shashankasana. Inhale, Urdhva Mukha. Straighten the legs up. Exhale, Adho Mukha. 2 more rounds. Shashankasana. Urdhva Mukha. Adho Mukha. Shashankasana. Urdhva Mukha. Adho Mukha. Last round. Shashankasana. Urdhva Mukha. Adho Mukha. Stay in Adho Mukha. Feet close to each other. Inhale, right leg in the center. Ekapada Prasanasana. Exhale, Adho Mukha. Inhale, left leg forward, Ekapada Prasanasana. Exhale, Adho Mukha. Inhale, right leg forward. Exhale, Adho Mukha. Inhale, left leg forward. Exhale, Adho Mukha. Inhale, right leg forward. Exhale, Adho Mukha. Inhale, left leg forward. Exhale, Adho Mukha. 2 more rounds. Inhale, right leg forward. Exhale, Adho Mukha. Inhale, left leg forward. Exhale, Adho Mukha. Slowly walk your hands back. Uttanasana. Press the palms down, straighten the legs, keep your head down fully. Take a deep inhale, slow exhale. Keep straightening the legs. Now fold your arms. Push the elbows down to the ground. Keep breathing and stay there. Fold your hands. Push the elbows to the ground. Keep breathing and stay there. Now from there, slowly inhale, head up, look up. Turn the toes out slightly, pushing the knees outwards. Come to Malasana, chest up. Full squat if you can. If you have knee pain, don't squat fully. Chest up. Take at least 3 breaths here. 1, 2, and 3. Hands down, slowly come back to Uttanasana. Stretch the hands out in front, inhale up and exhale, release. Mukhadoti, 4 to 5 breaths, inhale, slow exhale. Breathe in from the nose, breathe out from the mouth. 3-4 times, get ready for Surya Namaskara. Front of your mat, feet together, hands in Namaskara Mudra, elbows parallel to the ground, back straight, neck is straight, eyes gently closed. Press the feet on the ground, take a deep inhale, slow exhale. Om Hiranmayena Patrena Satyasya Pihitam Mukham Tattvam Pushanna Varanu Satya Dharmaya Drishtaye. Om Mitraya Namaha. Inhale, back bend, press your palms together, straighten the arms. Exhale, stretch forward all the way, hands down beside the feet, head down completely. Inhale, right leg all the way back, look up, chest up. Exhale, Dvipada. Hold your breath, Ashtanga Namaskara. Inhale, Urdhva Mukha. Exhale, Adho Mukha. Feet together, push the hips back. Inhale, right leg forward. Exhale, Uttanasana. Head down completely. Inhale, Namaskara Sthiti. Om Ravaye Namaha. Inhale. Breathe out, forward bend, head down completely. Left leg back, inhale. Exhale, keep the body in a straight line, look in front. Ashtanga Namaskara. Inhale, Urdhva Mukha. Exhale, Adho Mukha. Push the hips back, straighten the arms and legs. Inhale, left leg in the front. Chest up, look up. Exhale, Uttanasana. Inhale, Namaskara Sthiti. Om Suryaya Namaha. Breathe in, breathe out. Right leg back, breathe in, breathe out. Hold your breath. Inhale, exhale. Left leg forward, inhale. Right leg forward, sorry, inhale. Exhale, Uttanasana. Namaskara Sthiti. Om Bhanave Namaha. 1, 2, 3. Left leg back, look up. 4. Dvipada. 5. Ashtanga Namaskara. 6. Urdhva Mukha. 7. Adho Mukha. Left leg forward. 8. Inhale, look up. 9. Uttanasana. 10. Namaskara Sthiti. Om Khagaya Namaha. Inhale, straighten the arms, press the palms together. Look up at your thumb. Keep pulling the arms up, push the hips forward, tighten the legs. Keep bending backwards, open the chest to the ceiling. Lift up, lift the chest up. Exhale all the way, stretching forward, head down fully. Hands next to your feet, beside the feet or behind the feet. Head down, try to bring your forehead to your knees. Don't hold your breath. Inhale, right leg back. Look up. Now from here, turn the toes out. Take both the hands up, push the hips forward. Get the palms together in Namaskara Mudra and inhale into a back bend. All the way back. Take at least 2 breaths there. Inhale, slow exhale. One more time, inhale. Slow exhale, bring the hands down. Take the left leg back to Dvipada. Ashtanga Namaskara, hold your breath. Inhale, Urdhva Mukha. Exhale, Adho Mukha. Inhale, right leg forward. Exhale, Uttanasana. Inhale, Namaskara Sthiti. Om Pushne Namaha. Breathe in all the way. Tighten the legs. Pull the arms back. Push the hips forward. Exhale, forward bend all the way down. Inhale, left leg back. Lift the chest up. Push the hips forward. Now turn your toes outside, left foot. Inhale, taking the hands from the side. Push the right hip forward. Press the palms together. Keep lifting up the chest. Bend backwards. Stay there for 2 breaths. Inhale, exhale. One more time. Inhale, exhale. Hands down. Right leg goes back. Dvipada. Ashtanga Namaskara. Urdhva Mukha. Adho Mukha. Left leg comes in front. Ekapada Prasanasana. Uttanasana. Namaskara Sthiti. Om Hiranyagarbhaya Namaha. 1, 2, right leg back, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, right leg forward, 8, 9, 10. Om Marichaye Namaha. Back bend, forward bend, left leg back, inhale, exhale, Dvipada, hold your breath, inhale, exhale, left leg forward, exhale, Uttanasana, Namaskara Sthiti. Om Adityaya Namaha. Inhale, back bend, exhale, forward bend all the way down. Inhale, right leg back, exhale, Dvipada, Ashtanga Namaskara, Urdhva Mukha. Now turn your toes up, pull your hips forward, stay here for 5 counts, keep lifting the chest up. 1, 2, 3, tighten the legs. 4, 5, tuck your toes in, lift the knees off the mat, press the heels together and stay there. 1, 2, 3, 4, deep inhale and slowly exhale to Adho Mukha Svanasana. Straighten the legs and hands, push the hips back. Now drop your knees down, stay in Shashankasana for a few seconds, forehead down, fingertips stretch it forward as much as you can. Keep pulling the fingertips forward, lengthen the arms, pull the shoulders forward as much as you can. Keep breathing there. Hold it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Come back to Adho Mukha Svanasana. Inhale, bring the right leg forward. Exhale, Uttanasana. Namaskara Sthiti. Om. Forgot what it was. Marichaye Namaha. Inhale, exhale, left leg back, right leg back, Ashtanga Namaskara, Urdhva Mukha, Adho Mukha, left leg forward, right leg forward, Namaskara Sthiti. Om Adityaya Namaha. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Om Savitre Namaha. 1, 2, 3, left leg back. 4, 5, 6, 7, left leg forward, 8, 9, 10. Om Arkhaya Namaha. Inhale, exhale, forward bend. Inhale, right leg back. Exhale, Dvipada. Ashtanga Namaskara. Urdhva Mukha. Adho Mukha. Take 2 deep breaths there in Adho Mukha. Inhale, exhale, press the heels down. Push the hips back. Straighten the arms and legs. Inhale, right leg forward. Exhale, Uttanasana. Inhale, Namaskara Sthiti. Om Bhaskaraya Namaha. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, left leg forward, 8, 9, 10. Take a deep inhale, slow exhale. One more time, breathe in, completely exhale. Last round. Om Shri Savitra Surya Narayanaya Namaha. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, right leg back. Exhale, left leg back. Ashtanga Namaskara. Inhale, exhale. Right leg forward, inhale. Left leg forward. Namaskar Sthiti. And breathe in and breathe out, Mukhadoti. 3-4 rounds. Take your belt. And sit in Vajrasana. First we'll start by sitting in Vajrasana. If you want, you can use a pillow or a blanket under your feet or behind the knees. Sit in Vajrasana. Keep your back straight. Inhale, take the arms from the side. Keep your knees together. Push the elbows behind the head. Interlock your fingers. Straighten the arms. Pull it up. Gently drop your head back. Look up at the ceiling. And keep pulling the arms up. Hold it there. Straighten the elbows. Tighten the arms. Turn the palms fully to the ceiling. Keep breathing. Don't hold your breath. Now close your eyes. Watch your breath. Keep pulling the arms up and stay there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. From here, keep the arms in the same position. Inhale, lengthen some more. Keep the hands behind the head. On the exhale, bend to your right side. Keep the head back, straighten the arms. Keep pressing the knees on the mat. Pull the arms to the side. See that your heels are together. You're sitting back on the heels. Keep breathing. Straighten the arms and hold it there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Inhale, come back center, pull the arms once more, exhale to the other side, straighten the arms, bend over without lifting the knees from the mat. Push your head back. Keep breathing. Stay there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And slowly come back center. Relax. Release the hands. Now sit in Sukhasana. Back straight. Inhale, both hands up. On the exhale, make a fist with your left hand. Take it outside the right knee. Take your right hand behind the back. Twist completely to the right side. Look over your right shoulder and hold it there. Keep twisting. Tighten the left fist on the right knee. And look over your shoulder. Pull the right shoulder back. Left shoulder forward. Stay there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Inhale, both hands up. Lengthen once more. Now make a fist with the right hand. Exhale, twist to your left side. Take the right fist outside the left knee. Twist to the left side. Look over your left shoulder and hold it there. Keep pushing both the knees down. Stay there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now take the belt. Make a small loop on the belt. Legs out in front of you. We'll bend the right knee first. Take the belt around the left foot. Hold it separately on either side. Straighten your back and keep pulling your chin towards your toes. Press the right knee down, Janu Sirsasana. Keep breathing. Keep pressing the right knee down on the floor. Your right heel is pressing on the left thigh. Straighten your back. Keep pulling your chest forward. Lift your head up. Look in front. Chin towards the toes. Straighten your left leg. Hold it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Release the belt. Inhale, both hands up. And same leg, same side. Just reach with your hands now. Hold around the left foot. If you can get your fingers together, slowly pull your head forward. Straighten the back. Try to bring your chest on your thighs. And try to drop your forehead to the knee or the shin. Keep breathing as you stay there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Slowly release. Straighten both the legs. Shake the legs slightly. Move the feet. And now this time bend your left heel in. Bend the left leg. Straighten the right leg. Take the belt around the right foot. Hold it on both sides. Inhale, straighten your back. Keep pressing the left knee down. On the exhale, look forward. Bring your chin towards the toes. Chest open. Pull forward. Straighten the arms. Straighten the right leg. Keep breathing as you stay there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Release the belt. Inhale, take both the hands up, same leg. Bend forward, stretching forward, pull your spine forward. Hold the foot, hold your fingers. Pull the chest down towards the knee and slowly drop your head down. Try to bring your forehead to the knee or the shin. Push the top of the head forward. Keep breathing and stay there. Tighten your right leg, press the left knee down. Hold it, stay there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Release, straighten both the legs, shake the legs out slightly. Shake the legs slightly. Release the legs. Now get both the feet together, Baddha Konasana. Take the belt, make the loop little bigger. Take it around your lower waist. Take it under your feet and tighten the belt around the feet. You can hold your hands under the feet or hold the belt or hold your ankles. Press the outer edge of the feet together. Tighten the belt as much as you need. Straighten the back. Push the knees open. Baddha Konasana. Keep lifting the spine up. Open the chest. Push the knees open. Chin slightly up. Keep breathing. And hold it there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Take one more deep inhale. On the exhale, bend forward, pushing your knees with the elbows and pull your forehead down towards the toes. If you have a brick, try to keep your head on the brick. Otherwise, bring the head down as much as you can without struggling. Let the belt remain there. Keep leaning forward, bending forward. Try to keep the back straight. Don't tuck your chin in. Bring the chin and nose down towards your toes. Stay there. Keep breathing. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Slowly inhale up. Release your belt and take out your belt. If you have a blanket, take the blanket, fold the blanket like this, 4-fold. Sit on the blanket and straighten both the legs up. Now from there, bend your right leg in Virasana. Again take your belt, right leg in Virasana, straighten the back, take your belt, put it around the left foot, hold it separately on either side, lift the chest up, inhale, and on the exhale, slowly just pull your body forward, chin towards the toes, keep bending your elbows towards the ground and stay there. Back is straight. Hold it there, keep breathing, stay there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Release the belt, stay in the same position. If you have knee pain, if your knee is hurting, You can release the leg and just keep it once more in Janushirasana position. Otherwise, fold the leg, keep it in half Virasana. Inhale, both hands up. This time, bend forward. Hold around your left foot with the fingers. Bend your elbows towards the ground. Bring your forehead towards the shin and hold it there. Keep breathing as you hold it there. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Slowly release the right leg. Shake the legs out. Point your feet, circle it both ways. And then fold the left leg in Ardha Virasana. Take the belt around the right foot. Inhale, straighten the right leg. On the exhale, bend your elbows towards the ground. Keep your head up. Try to bring your spine forward, chin towards the toes, and stay there. Keep breathing as you stay there. Keep lengthening the spine. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Release the belt. Inhale, both hands up. On the exhale, bend forward. Take your hands around the right foot. Bend your elbows towards the ground. Push your head forward and try to bring your forehead towards your knees or your shin. Don't round the back. Keep pushing the head forward. Bring the chest to the thighs. Stay there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Slowly release. Once more, shake the legs out. Roll the feet. Come back to, you can remove the blanket. Come back to Baddha Konasana. Once more, take the belt. Take it around your waist, around your feet. Adjust how much you need to so that you can do Supta Baddha Konasana. From here, knees open, slowly lie down on your back and keep the feet on the ground, knees open. Stretch the hands behind your head. Open the knees up, press the feet together, outer edge of the feet together, heels pressed together. Keep your chin down, close your eyes, stretch the hands behind you, press the knees open and stay there. Keep breathing, keep pushing the knees towards the ground. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Slowly release. Take the belt out from your feet, from your body. Straighten the legs out. Take the belt, open it fully. Open the belt fully. Don't make a loop. Take it round your feet. Open the feet out as wide as you can in a V shape. Keep your elbows on the ground. Hold the belt. Push your feet against the belt. Tighten your legs, straighten the legs. Turn the toes in towards your body. Keep pushing the legs open as wide as possible. Rotate the thighs outwards. Hold the belt on each side with your hands. Keep pushing the legs open and stay there. Feel your inner thighs. Keep tightening the kneecaps. Keep turning the toes in. Keep breathing. Stay there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Slowly bring your legs together. Bring both the legs down. Turn to your right side and sit up a bit. Take your legs out in the V shape. We'll do Upavishta Konasana. Take the legs as wide as you can. From here, first back straight. Inhale, both hands up. On the exhale, with your 3 fingers, hold the big toes and just pull the chin forward, straighten the back, straighten the legs, open the chest up and try to bring it towards the ground, toes facing up. You can bend your elbows if you need to, but keep holding your big toes, keep looking at the ground, pull your spine forward, chest open, back straight, head up, keep looking in front. Stay there. 1, keep rotating the thighs outwards and tighten the legs. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Slowly release. Inhale, hands up. Keep lengthening the spine. Turn the toes out. Tighten the legs. On the exhale, turn towards your right leg, twisting. Take your hands around the right foot. Pull your head forward. Keep the left leg straight and try to drop your forehead on your shin or your knees. Pull the top of the head towards the foot. Bend your elbows towards the ground. Keep breathing. Keep turning the left toe up to the ceiling. Straighten both the legs. Stay there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Again, inhale, both hands up. Twist towards your left leg. Exhale, hold the left foot. Bend your elbows towards the ground. Right toes facing up. Keep straightening both the legs. Right buttock doesn't lift up. Press it down. Pull your head forward. Forehead to the shin or the knee. Bend your elbows to the ground. Keep rotating the thighs outwards. Keep breathing. Stay there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Inhale, come up. Exhale, release the hands. Now take your belt around the right foot. Hold it with the right hand. Hold both the parts of the belt with the right hand. Bend your right elbow inside the right knee to the ground. Left hand on the hip and turn your chest open towards the ceiling. Straighten both the legs. Look up at the ceiling. Keep breathing. Hold the belt. Hold the belt. Keep your elbow on the ground if you can. Inhale. Take the left hand up. Keep twisting to the left side. Slowly straighten the left hand. It doesn't matter if you can't touch your toes. Keep twisting. Back of your head turning towards the right knee. Keep reaching the left arm. Try to hold the outside of your right foot if you can. Otherwise, hold the belt or the big toe and twist your body completely under the arm. Look up at the ceiling and hold it there. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Slowly release. Inhale, both hands up. Exhale, and this time take the belt around the left foot. Hold it with your left hand. Slowly bend the left elbow inside the left knee. Try to keep it on the ground. Keep the right foot facing up. Hand on the left hip, right hip. Turn your body nicely towards the right side. Don't lift the buttocks up. Keep twisting the body. When you're ready, inhale, straighten the right arm. Take it over the head. Reach as much as you can all the way. Turn the back of your head to the knee. Keep reaching. Try to hold the outside of your left foot, or hold the belt, or hold your big toe. And turn your head to face the ceiling. Chest facing the ceiling. Twist completely. Press your buttocks down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Slowly remove the belt. Stay in the same position. Hands beside your hips. Just push the hip forward a little bit more. Straighten the legs. Inhale, both hands up. Without struggling too much, exhale, keeping the back straight. Reach your hands forward, fingertips on the ground as far as you can go. Keep turning the toes out. Slowly lengthen your back and drop your forehead towards the ground. It's okay if you don't touch the ground. Don't tuck your chin in. Push the chin out and slowly try to drop the head on the ground. Your back should be straight and flat. Keep breathing, keep turning the toes to the ceiling. Straighten both the legs and stay there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Inhale, both hands up. Exhale, release. Slowly bend your knees. Bring your legs together. Shake your legs out. Point the feet forward and back. Rotate clockwise, anti-clockwise. And lie down on your mat with the belt. Take the belt around your ankles. Setubandha Sarvangasana. Keep your feet knee hip distance apart. Hold the belt near the ankles. Straighten both the arms. Shoulders under you. Inhale and push the hips up. Keep the knees parallel. Lift the hip up. Tighten your buttock muscles. Tighten the legs. Keep pushing the chest up towards the chin. Hold the belt firmly. Push the hip up all the way. Stay there. Keep breathing. As high as you can. Arching the spine. Hold. Breathe. Exhale. Keep lifting with each exhale. And tightening the buttock muscles. And slowly release. Release the belt. Stretch your legs out. Feet wide. Hands to the side. Just relax for a few seconds. Bend your knees. Take both the hands under the knees. Hold your elbow or your wrist. Bring your knees towards the chest. Inhale, lift your head up. Bring your head towards the knees, forehead towards the knees. If you have high BP or heart problem, don't do this. Just keep your head down and slowly release the legs. Knees bent, hands to your side. Take 2-3 breaths. slowly turn from the right side and sit up for pranayama. You can sit on your blanket or on a pillow or on a block. Sit comfortably. If you need to rest your back, rest your back. Keep your back straight. Hands together in Namaskara Mudra. Pranasedam Vashe Sarvam Tritiveya Pratishtitam Mateva Putran Rakshasva Shriksha Pragyanksha Videhinaiti. Hands in Chin Mudra. Keep straightening the back. Chin parallel to the floor. Eyes closed. Normal breathing. Stay for a few seconds watching your breath. We'll do 5 Om chants. Inhale. Last round. Feel the vibrations. Sit up straight. Nadi Shodhana, left hand Chin Mudra. Right hand, right thumb on the right nostril. We start by breathing in from the left nostril. Inhale, 2, 3, 4. Exhale, 2, 3, 4, 5. Again inhale from the right nostril. 1, 2, 3, 4. Exhale from the left nostril. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Continue. Breathe in for 4 counts. Breathe out for 5 counts. 5 to 6 rounds. Keep going. Slowly finish by exhaling from the left nostril. Hands in Chin Mudra. Just watch the breath in both the nostrils. Keep your back straight. We'll do 5 rounds of Brahmari. Inhale. 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 Last 2 rounds, continue. Breathe in. Last round, inhale. Slowly stop. Observe the vibrations of the Mahakara. Observe your breath. Slowly lie down on your mat. Shavasana. Stretch your legs out, toes out, hands by your side, palms facing up. Keep your chin down, eyes closed. Normal breathing. Relax the whole body. Eyes rolled back. Arms, legs, hips, back of the shoulders. Whole body relaxed on the mat. Lips gently closed. Don't clench your teeth. Jaws relaxed. Just follow your breath. Bring your awareness back to your breath, back to your body. Take a deep inhale, and as you exhale, move your fingers and toes. Bend your left knee, turn to your right side, place your head on the right hand. Stay there for a few seconds, taking support with your left hand. Come to a sitting position, any comfortable position. Hands in Namaskar Mudra. सर्वे भवन्तु सुखिनः, सर्वे सन्तु निरामया, सर्वे भद्राणि पश्यन्तु, मा कश्चित् दुःखभाग् भवेत्। ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्ति। Calming. Place your hands on your eyes. Inhale, Bhunavanasana. Exhale, bending forward. Inhale, hands up. Look in your palms, blink your eyes and open. Thank you. Namaste. Thank you, ladies. Have a nice evening.
Thank you, Shubha.
Thank you.
Shubha.